Here it is. Messiah volcano. We've got up here, got the moon shining down on us like an angel from above. Let's go down, let's have a look in the belly of the beast. Lots of people. If we can see, can't quite see down in there. There you go. You can't really see the lava down in there, but I assume as it gets darker, you will see a glow coming out of that, coming out of the volcano. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. The boys in blue, ready for any occasion. It's pretty cool how the light's refracted through that smoke. Makes the sunset look a little darker, a little bit more dramatic. Pretty amazing stuff.